Oh, she's sick? Our creator's sick? Oh, that's no fun.
Looks like we're gonna have to do this ourselves.
Yep, we're gonna have to. Let's open the container.
Okay, Morty, what did we get for day 4?
I don't know, but I don't think we're gonna like it.
Okay, let's look at it anyway. Oh, great, another bone.
Didn't we get a bone on day 2?
Yep.
Oh yeah, another bone! Whoop whoop! I totally would like a bone.
Well, if you guys want it all that much, you can have it. Ugh, dogs.
You gotta love them.
And that's all we have for the unboxing video. Tune in tomorrow to see what comes out of door number 5. I'll see y'all later.
Me